Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naveed Husain. I am a divorce attorney in Chicago. Did you know that first cousin marriages are prohibited in almost half of the states, including Illinois? That your marriage in Illinois, if you are married to your first cousin, is void ab initio, meaning that it is void from the very beginning. It doesn't count. It's not recognized as a marriage. This can cause a lot of problems when it comes to immigration. This can cause problems if first cousins end up getting quote unquote divorced. And the reality is that it's not going to be a divorce. Rather, what's going to happen is that they can choose to file an annulment and to nullify that marriage, to get rid of that marriage. There are a few exceptions in Illinois. So for example, if you were married in a different state or in a different country that allowed first cousin marriages, and then you move to Illinois, that may be recognized. And again, if only one of you is from a different state, let's say somebody's from the state of Illinois, somebody's from Texas. You go, you get married in Texas, first cousins, you come back to Illinois, and you continue your residency, Illinois is not going to accept it. Illinois might accept it if both of you are over the age of 50. Illinois may accept this first cousin marriage if you cannot have children. But for the most part, these marriages are prohibited in Illinois and in many states in the USA. Now, the issue that arises is that, okay, if a husband and wife, they happen to be first cousins, they get annulled, their marriage is annulled, what happens, right? They spent 20 years together. They've filed joint tax returns. They've raised beautiful children. What happens in that scenario? Well, typically what happens is that that marriage, pseudo-marriage, I guess you can say, will be annulled. And now what will happen is that there's another section in the law called putative spouse rights. The putative spouse rights may apply if you did not know that your marriage was prohibited, you cohabitated together, and you had a marriage ceremony. So these three items may give you relief in the state courts of Illinois if you have happened to marry your first cousin. So this is a very big issue, especially here in Illinois. It's a very big issue in our community. Obviously, it's normal to marry your first cousin. And so I just wanted to teach all of you about this issue so that you are aware of it, so that, God forbid, if you are involved in something like this, that you are not found off guard. Again, Jazakumullahu khairan. I know it's been a while. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and inshallah, until the next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.